This is the time for all mankind to think about tomorrow. This is the time to let the old man sink into his grave. This is the time to seek our precious Lord for our redemption, and let the guiding hand of God always be on us through His text and grave. While we struggle here with earthly things like fancy cars, diamond rings, fulfilling earthly lust and greed with pleasure, we live our good life, so to speak. We cannot see, we're blind and weak, and know not of God's righteousness and treasures. We walk around the down and out, forsaking God, we live in doubt. Peace and happiness could never enter into our lives. We can't be clean until we learn on Christ to lean and accept His love for us in fullest measure. This is the time for all mankind to think about tomorrow. This is the